Hello, my friends. Today is 5th of April, and today's topic will be especially about writing. And I want to explain you 5 types of structures and 5 types of writing tasks too, exactly. So, to be precise, I want to say in this video about uh, how to write writing task 2 and how to understand the question task and how can be the structure for these 5 types of writing task 2. So let's start. First of all, I want to say that there is 5 types, and let's start with the first. The first one is uh, discuss both views and give your own opinion. And the second is advantage and disadvantages. Third is cause and effect. Fourth is are you agree or disagree with, do you agree or do you disagree with this point? And the last one is problems and solutions. And the structure will be the same, almost the same, but there is a little bit difference between the conclusion. So first of all, I want to say that the first two types are almost similar because you should give your own opinion in these 2 types. Then in other 3 types, you should only make a summary and give your opinion in the beginning of your statement. So the how can be the structure of these types? So let's start with the first one. First one is discuss both views and give your own opinion. I would recommend you to use 4 paragraphs. First paragraph is the state the topic, and the second one is give the first point. It's discussing essay. Give the first point, and the second one is give the second point, and the last paragraph is express your own opinion. So also the another type advantage and disadvantage is the same. Firstly, you should state the topic, then you should describe one advantage and one another disadvantage in the first paragraph, and in the second paragraph you should explain the disadvantages and the drawbacks. Two is almost enough, and in the conclusion you should write your own opinion. However, in the other 3 types, you shouldn't write your opinion in the conclusion because there will be first. I want to say about cause and effect. You should start by stating the topic, then state your purpose. In this first paragraph, you should include also in the second paragraph you should describe the first cause and the second cause. In the next paragraph, in the third paragraph especially, you should write about first effect and the second effect. And in the conclusion you should only make a summary. Not you shouldn't do any tasks or any sentences because it's enough to make a summary. And the fourth type is agree and disagree tasks, which are really interesting. And I think that the first paragraph should include the state to the topic, then the state to the problem, and the last part in the first paragraph should be expressing your own opinion. And in the second paragraph, you should give the first argument. In the second paragraph, you should not only give the argument, you should always explain it. And in the third paragraph, you should explain the second argument, and in the conclusion, you should include a summary, make a summary, and this is all for disagree and agree tasks in the writing task 2. And the last type of the writing task 2 is problems and solution essay. I would say that first paragraph should include state the topic, and the second paragraph should include outline the first problem, and you can also add the second problem, and in the third paragraph you should include the suggestion for first problem and the second problem, and in the last paragraph you should include your summary, and you should make a summary. So for today's tutorial, I can say that if you can understand the structure of your essay, you can easily uh, achieve a high score, because it's affect for your band. So let's try to achieve our aims that we planned yesterday, and today is the second day out of 10. So let's see the results, and for today that's all, and good luck all of you. Thank you for watching.